Hello friends in the Artificial Intelligence channel Best Tech Technology. Today we have a product to delight plant lovers. Follow us. Are you tired of constantly worrying about watering your indoor potted plants? Do you find it challenging to keep them healthy and vibrant when you're busy or away from home? This product will help you. The RAINPOINT Wi-Fi Automatic Watering System, your ultimate solution for hassle-free plant care. With the RAINPOINT app, you can take control of your plant's watering schedule right from the palm of your hand. Simply connect the system to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, set up your watering plans, and let technology do the rest. The RAINPOINT app allows you to manage multiple watering plans effortlessly. Receive notifications when the automatic watering plans are active or when the pump is out of water. Now, you can focus on your daily chores or enjoy your vacation, knowing that your plants are being taken care of. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. The RAINPOINT system works with most indoor potted plants, and the app can even accommodate multiple family members, allowing everyone to co-manage the watering schedule. Say goodbye to overwatering or neglecting your plants. RAINPOINT ensures optimal care. The RAINPOINT system offers 3 different watering modes: automatic, manual, and delayed watering. With the automatic mode, you can customize your irrigation plans based on local weather conditions, temperature, humidity, and even sunrise and sunset times. It's like having a personal plant caretaker. Not only does RAINPOINT make plant care convenient, but it's also an eco-friendly solution. The automatic watering system delivers water directly to the soil, reducing water waste by up to 70% compared to traditional spray irrigation. Save water and keep your plants happy and healthy. Each RAINPOINT package contains all the necessary components for watering up to 10 plants. It includes 32.8 feet of 1/4 tubing, micro drip emitters, T-barb fittings, cross barb fittings, straight barb fittings, USB cable tubing and caps, a filter, and a comprehensive manual to guide you through the setup process. With the RAINPOINT Wi-Fi automatic watering system, you can say goodbye to the stress of plant care, and hello to vibrant, thriving indoor potted plants. Experience the convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind that RAINPOINT brings to your plant care routine. Get your RAINPOINT system today and unlock a world of effortless gardening. Don't forget to subscribe for more technology. Goodbye.